are reserving units for this amazing development. For people that are literally 10 minutes late, you've missed out. It's a complete gone show in there. It's Neil from Toronto Condos. I'm here at the launch of Forest Grove, and it's an absolute full house in there. For people that got here on time, we are reserving units for this amazing development. For people that are literally 10 minutes late, you've missed out. It's a complete gong show in there, but we have first access for platinum brokers. We get invited in first to the top developments around the GTA, and we help people buy pre-construction for investment or to live in.
Tower 1 and Tower 2 sold out in a matter of hours. We had purchasers who acquired units for investment and to live in. We are top pre-construction platinum brokers in the Greater Toronto Area, helping people buy pre-construction units either to live in or for investment. If you're looking for pre-construction condos to live in or for investment, we can help you. Consider subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.